best user-friendly application, or should I say VPN out there. We'll be reviewing it and pretty much showing you how to use this application and protect yourself online. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Watch the home screen of the application, nothing hard for you to understand. So once you open the application, you pretty much will need to log in with your Google account. Once you have done that, this is pretty much your home screen. So as you can see here, very simple layout. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So here you may see a Go Mobile option. And if you have not signed in, as I said before, you can just log in with Gmail and just select any one of your Gmails. And you're pretty much good to go. It will log in automatically for you and you're good to go. So my premium subscription has expired. Do keep in mind you get a 1-day free trial premium subscription. So some of the servers you won't be able to use. But if it's your first time using an application, you do get one-day premium subscription for free, so you can test all the servers. But I've already logged in before, so it expired. So here you can see all the servers that they have available. Pretty much good amount of servers, not gonna lie, and as you can see in the United States being the most servers, and some other servers that they have available. So depending on the server you want, you can pretty much select, just tap on it once you have the subscription, you can use the other servers that are locked. So you won't be able to use the servers that are locked. As you can see here, you will need a subscription. So let me just tap on one of these free servers. As you can see here, you can use either Germany or Singapore. So I'm going to use Germany here, and once you've selected it, you can pretty much tap on connect. And it will start connecting. In no time, we'll ask for connection request over if it's your first time using an application, but it will connect instantly. No joke, it will connect instantly, guys. And once you're connected, you can browse internet while being protected. And as well, to get the premium subscription that they offer, just tap on the premium here and we'll pretty much see the prices for their subscription and how long they last. So you can see here everything, all the prices. And down here you may also see what you're getting with the subscription. And let me tell you, these servers are extremely fast, especially the pro servers. So over here you may see G coins. These are some different coins and so forth which you can use to get premium servers or get access to those servers, but nothing much for that. So here you have the profile icon. You can set a password for when you log into the application, you ask password and so forth. Nothing much for that either. But in the settings here, you have the referral option. Nothing much for this feature. But as I said, it's very easy to use. If you just want to get connect to a VPN and get protected online, I recommend this VPN. Very easy to use. If you don't have any subscription, you can still use it. And it's great. So that's all. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.